Well, top of the morning to you. You finally caught me. You know what happens when you catch a leprechaun? Well, first time, I'm going to tell you something. A little story. You know, old Molly McGuire, she went to church one Sunday afternoon, and the father said to her, "Molly, you don't look right. You look pretty sad." And she said, "Father O'Malley, I am sad today." And he goes, "Well, Molly, what's wrong? Why don't you tell me why?" And she said, "Well, me husband Pat passed away yesterday." And the father, he says, "Oh, Molly, that's terrible news, so sudden. Were you there when he passed?" She said, "Yes, Father, I was there." The father said to her, "Molly, did he have any last requests or final words to you?" She said, "Yes, Father, as a matter of fact, he did." And the father says, "Well, Molly, what were they?" And she said, "He told me, 'Mary, please put that damn gun down.'" Well, you know what happens. You get caught by you peoples, you catch a leprechaun, you get to have what's in his pot of gold. Well, I'll tell you, I've got a big pot of gold sitting right here, and I don't even, now it's not even mine, it belongs to you. So what have I got in there anyway? Well, let's take a look. Look at there. One of those knives I was trying to make for you, trying to catch me all the time. What else is in there? Oh, well, there's another one. The CQC7, I think they calls it. I don't know why. It's crazy stuff. Well, there's another one of those knives. It's got Gaelic writing on it and everything. What the heck? Oh, there's one more even. Whoa, what have I got in me pot to gold? I didn't even remember what I had in me. Oh, look at this one. A commander. Oh, with a green blade. Oh, it's got the shamrocks of my old country on there. Holy crow. Oh, look at this one. Another commander. Well, what do you know? What else is in this pot of gold I'm looking at? Oh, you've got everything I had. All the work I done. It's all for you now. The commander there too. What? There's some more. Well, there's another 7. Holy smokes. I can't even believe it myself. I didn't know what I had in here. Oh, look at this. Oh, lordy, lordy, lordy. Oh, there's another one. Holy smokes. What? Oh, there's something still down in here. What is it? Get it out so we find out what. It's at the bottom. Oh, look at this one. Holy, oh my goodness gracious. That's a CQC6. I worked long and hard to make this one. It's gonna be tough parting from your heart to give it to you. But this is a very special one. Well, you caught me in the act. Happy St. Patty's Day to all of you. Hi, what's a leprechaun to do?